Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. If you hear snoring, it's my new puppy. She takes a lot of puppy naps. So last week was very special. My boyfriend surprised me with this adorable new puppy. She's a French Bulldog. And here's a recap. If you missed last week's video, her name is Blueberry Muffin. So we've got Blueberry Muffin and Cookie. Also in that video last week, puppy Blueberry met my sister's baby Gray. So baby Gray is meeting baby Blue for the first time, and we did a mini puppy photo shoot. It was adorable, and afterwards I got so many requests from you guys to do a puppy haul video because you all wanted to know where I found some of those items that I used in the puppy photo shoot, and I thought let's just get into it. I made one of these videos a few years back when I first got Cookie, and some of the items are the same because I love them. They were incredible. I would purchase them again and again, and some of the things that I got this year are new and they're also amazing. So without further ado, let's get into this puppy haul. Let's start with the exciting stuff, the toys. And don't worry, I got a toy for Blueberry and Cookie, and also because I'm thoughtful and loving dog mom and aunt, I got a toy for my sister's dog, Henry. The first toy that I'm gonna show you, there's 3 different versions. I got one for each of the pups in this house. The toy is by Zippy Paws, and I have bought dozens of these because they keep the dogs entertained forever. Look, Cookie! It's a little milk carton, and look at this, for you, chocolate chip cookies. Oh my gosh, they look like they're Nerdy Nummies Cookie, only minus the glasses. These were more perfect than I even imagined online. I just saw the chocolate chips. I didn't even see the face. So you just stuff them in here, the little holes. There's a couple of them. And then you put them down and they have to like work to get them out. So Cookie, this is for you. And then for Henry, here's Henry, everybody. He helped raise Cookie. He's like Cookie's dog dad. We got you a rainbow, and then they have little unicorns. Here you go, Henny, that's for you. Why is this the cutest thing in the world? I found this for Blueberry Muffin. It's a stack of buttered pancakes, and inside are little blueberries. Look how cute. It's a blueberry muffin and a blueberry. Do you like it? So the dogs go crazy for these. Both Cookie and Henry play with these for hours, and it looks like she's just starting to get interested in them as well. And I love it. Just keeps their mind active. They have to figure out how to get that object out of here. You got it, Cookie. I got faith. You can do it. Oh, that's not fair. They're still stuck in there. I gotta clip them out. Oopsies. But look, she got it out already. Good girl, Cookie. She's a pro at these. She knows what to do. The other toys that I picked up are by Kong. I really love these. They're a rubber. They're for puppies. It's really good because puppies are teething. So having these types of toys around is really, really great for them. And a really good tip is you can pop these in the refrigerator to chill them and then give them to your pup, and it feels really good on their gums. These ones are for puppy. They're a little softer, but Kong also makes adult chew toys, which Cookie really loves as well. This one is funny because it looks like a baby Binky. Here, I haven't even taken that one out yet. You can play with that one. Not the pillow, not the pillow. All right, Cookie, well, there's 2 sizes here, so I can give you one of these. We've got a little mini one and then a bigger one. And these ones are really neat because let me pop one open. I'll give one to Cookie. They have a hole in there, so you can stick a little treat in there or a little bit of peanut butter, and the dogs can smell it and they'll just play with it forever and try to get the little treat out. It's really cute. Blueberry has already started to play with the Kong Binky. She's a big fan. Good girl. Let me take that out of there for you. There you go. Oh, she hates it. If this was a Cookie's Favorite Toys video, these may be #1. She loved these keys when she was a puppy, and she still loves them today. They're great for gum health, and the chewing on these help clean the teeth, like take off the plaque and stuff off their little puppy teeth. These are by Nylabone, and these are technically the teething puppy chews. This one's a little bone and it has little nuggets in there, but they have one for adult dogs as well, but Cookie likes both the adult and the puppy ones. Last chew toy that I got, it's last but not least, it's by Orbituff. I love these for puppies and adult dogs. The rubber is really soft, but it's very durable, and it's just great size for puppies teething. So if you have a smaller dog or a medium-sized dog, when they're puppies, this one, their smaller one, is the perfect size. And then when they, woo! Blueberry dropped the toy and Cookie was like, I got it. Here you go, little lady. There you go. Good girl. All right, go chew that. After all the toy excitement, she might be ready for a puppy nap. I think that is about time. All right, well, while you take a snooze, I'm gonna talk about fashion. This little piece is by Gooby and I love it. It's a very simple fleece vest and I love these because they are high quality. They are so soft. I wish you guys could feel how soft this is. And these come in so many sizes. So this is for her to stay very warm for the winter or traveling or just in an evening where it's a little chillier. We get some Santa Ana winds coming in and it's cold. We've got something cozy for her. Now, let me show you the harness I got. It's pink, it's size small, and it's by Papilla. I have two favorite brands for harnesses for French Bulldogs because they fit them very well. They're very soft. So I love Papilla and I love, it's called Frenchie. Both of these fit French Bulldogs really, really well. I've had great experiences with them. This one's cookies and now this one's blueberries. Both of these brands have breathable fabric. It prevents overheating, which I appreciate. And they're so soft. Papilla, Frenchie, I love you. Thank you for making quality products for dogs. Love it. Also not spawned. So if anyone would like to send me any dog things, please do. Now this one isn't pure fashion. It's more like functional fashion. Her leash, I got her the same leash as Cookie. It's black, it's sleek, it's by Flexi, and it's retractable. And I love these, especially when you have puppies, because if you have a loose leash, like this one, which is gorgeous, but they're clumsy, they're learning how to walk with you. They tend to trip on it a lot, it gets caught, or they like to get it in their mouths and chew on it, and that just teaches them bad habits. So I like to use the retractable leash. It's on top of their back, so they don't learn to play with their leash when they're little. That doesn't become a habit, and they learn how to walk really, really well. And you can give them a little bit more lead or less lead, depending on how they're behaving on the walk. I just love the control of this. I've been using these for years and they are a favorite, especially with puppies. But, ready for some more cuter, functional fashion? When puppies grow up and they learn how to walk well on a leash, I like to use a loose leash. This is a really cute one. It has a matching collar. I found this on Etsy. They are handcrafted in the US. You can pick the metal color and I love it because they come in different colors. I got her this bright pink, a carnation pink, and a matching bow. I got her two bows. I only got two because she's gonna grow bigger very quickly, so I didn't want to go too crazy with it. So we got a little pink one that matches Cookie's. Cookie has a matching pink one. Look how cute. Teen, 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 teen. These are also adjustable in size and come in different sizes. Cookie wears a size large because I really like the oversized bow look on her. And I started Blueberry with an X small, which she may grow out of very quickly, so I will have to adjust it to the largest size. I got her a pink one and a blue one because her name's Blueberry. And here's the part where it attaches to the leash. So if she does really well on walks, then we can start using this leash. I just don't ever want it to be pulling on her neck. That's not good for dogs, so it just depends on how she responds to walking. But when she's ready, fashion is ready. All right, let's talk about food. One of my favorite subjects. I got some yummies over here. So this is the puppy kibble that she has been eating. So I'm going to slowly transition her as she grows up onto a more organic, fresh diet. Cookie developed some allergies later in life and the organic food diet has really been helping her. I sound so bougie. I have an organic food diet for my dogs. Fun fact about Frenchies, a lot of them have allergies, so you have to figure out the right diet for them. So that's something I'll work with my veterinary to figure out as she grows up. But right now, this is the kibble that she is eating. At Healthy Spot, I picked up these organic Grandma Lucy's oven baked dog treats. They are made with the highest quality ingredients for dogs, and this is a blueberry recipe. I couldn't pass it up. Not only organic, everybody, but kosher, vegetarian, and no preservatives. Oh my gosh, are they shaped like little bears? Oh, they are. They're little teddy bears. These remind me of those little, I think they're little cracker cookies that I used to eat growing up. I think they're golden grams. They came in a few different flavors. There was like a graham cracker honey flavor, and then there was a chocolate flavor. Let me know in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about. Look at them. It's just a whole bag of these cute little bears. Oh my gosh, these just look just like the little I'm gonna give it a taste. those are good. The blueberry is very subtle. This is a great recipe and it's very simple if you've ever had homemade like baked dog biscuits or treats. So it tastes very plain because it doesn't have the yummy sugars and the gluten, but this is like an old school tea biscuit. If you dunk it in a little tea, a little dry, a little bland, but a little bit blueberry punch here. Did you smell this? Well, what do you think? She likes it. I don't know about you guys, but if I saw this sitting on a shelf in the stores, I would buy this as human food. These are so cute. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, they even use organic vanilla extract. I just use vanilla extract. These are some bougie blueberry treats right here. Wow. I also got these for her to eat out of. They are bowls by Oripet. I found these at Healthy Spot, but you can find them a bunch of different places. I really like these bowls because they're shallow and they have a short rim or lip to go around the bowl. They also have some weight, so when a puppy's eating out of here, it doesn't move around too much. It's just easier for puppies to eat out of a shallow bowl, and French Bulldogs have flat faces, so this is perfect for them. Just last food product that I picked up. I love these. They're a Popware for Pets collapsible cups. These are so great for travel on the go. I just throw these in my purse everywhere. I already have 2 for Cookie, but I thought, let's get backups. I've been using them for years and I love. These are so cool, and again, they're high quality. I still have and use Cookies all the time. They've lasted throughout the years. Cookie is turning 5 this year. 5, Cookie, 5 wonderful years together. To 5 more, high five. That's my girl, good girl. This little bowl cup comes with a metal clip. It goes on the end, and I love it. This is optional. You don't always need to keep it on, but you can just stick it on your leash or your keychain, so it's with you always when you're out and about, and you can just throw it in your purse. And then if you're somewhere and your dog's thirsty, ready? There, just pops out. You can have a little water. Oh no, I feel bad. I'm like tricking her right now. She's like, where's the water? I usually don't trick you like this. Sorry, I pranked you so hard, Cootie. Pranks on you. Okay, sorry, that was really mean. I'm not really into pranking. But then when you're done, just look at this. Pour out extra water, boop, feed a plant, and boom, back in the purse. Now let's talk about the poopy stuff, cleaning up. Here's a few products that I picked up in the haul, and some of them you may have seen before in my puppy haul video, and that is because I love them. Boom! These are my favorite. I bought a jumbo pack. They are by Evercare, and they're really good for picking up doggy hair, and sometimes I brush Cookie and then I lint roll her, and all of the loose hair that I just brushed up comes right off. I have tried a ton of different lint rollers for pet hair, and this one has been the best. I've always come back to them. It works the best. I love them. So I got more of these. I also picked up these. They're for puppy poopies. They're puppy wipes by Earth Bath. I love how gentle they are. They're a quality wipe and they are really soft. You can use these on your own booty. Sometimes puppies, they're learning how to go to the bathroom and learning how to use their bodies, and they don't always know how to pinch off a poop. So you gotta help them and wipe their butts like a little baby. I mean, that happens. So, puppy wipes. Speaking of puppy poos, I also picked up some puppy pads because we're using these to potty train. Blueberry Muffin has one more shot to go, one more vaccine before I can take her out on walks and to hang around everyone. So right now we are potty training inside. And on our doggy porch, we have a little grass patch out there. These are just awesome and a lifesaver for anyone who has a puppy who hasn't had all their shots yet. The last cleanup products that I got, one was for hardwood floors and one was for carpet. I haven't bought these in a really long time because Cookie is completely potty trained. She has not had an accident in like 4 years since she was a puppy. She's really good about that. I honestly didn't know which brand was the best. I read a few reviews and people seem to really like Nature's Miracle, but if you guys have another brand that you really like for hardwood floors or carpet, let me know in the comments because it's been a while since I've had a puppy, honestly, you guys, and I don't know what is the new with the poo-poo. You know what I mean? Okay, let's talk bougie bedding. This may be the fanciest bedding that I've ever bought my dogs before, and I'm really excited about it. I got a lot of questions from you guys specifically about where I found this cute little piece of bedding. It looks like a pineapple, and also as I'm looking in the camera, it also looks like a mouth right now, like Okay, let's get back to business here. This cute little pineapple bed is by Nandog. I love their logo. It looks like a French Bulldog face. Are you kidding me? It's perfect. It was meant to be. The next two beds are by Jackson Bone. Here's the brand. I got a cozy mat and a bed. Woo, look at these. I love them because they're really high quality. They come in the best colors, and I got a size that I thought both the dogs could fit in here together and snuggle. So I got a size that I thought both of them could grow into. Cookie, how do you feel about it? You want to try it out? This will fit you and Blueberry right now, but when she's a grown doggy, I don't know if you could both fit in there. All right, that does it for the puppy haul video. Those are all of the new things that I picked up for the new pup. I have one last thing, but it's actually kind of more for me, but it's French Bulldog related. I found this at ModCloth. This is now an unboxing video, so let me open this up. Ready? Here's the new addition to your puppy porch. Yes! It is a French Bulldog doormat to put right by the door to wipe off your little feet before you come inside off the porch. These little ears and the little face. Quitty, look at these. You like them? Does this look just like you? This is the biggest Frenchie I've ever seen. Blueberry is just starting to wake up, so we are gonna go play. I feel like this is the perfect time to end the video. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting this video. We had so much fun making it, and we're so excited. Our little puppy family is growing. Our whole family is actually growing. Mo just had a baby. This is a great year. Blueberry says, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a paws up, and subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. I do have a feeling we'll be making some adorable puppy videos. Also, I'm gonna be putting some links down below to some adorable videos. Last week's Meet Blueberry video, so many cute moments, and the video where my boyfriend surprises me with her. And it was just really special and so cute and adorable, and I was just like shocked. Oh, I almost forgot. I have some good news. Thousands of you have been requesting that I make an Instagram account for Cookie, and now I just feel like is the perfect time. I've finally done it. I made an Instagram account. It's just one account, and the sisters share it, and it's called Cookie and Blueberry. So if you would like to go follow it and show it some love, it now exists. It is now there in the world, and I'm getting really excited about it. So if you would like to follow Cookie and Blueberry, I'll put a link down below. What you can expect: adorable dog photos and videos. Lots of them. Lots. Thanks again for watching. If you would like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here.